Welcome to all. I'm Nurul Aini, Department of Mathematics from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. We are going to see the topic average power. What is average power of a process? The definition for average power is defined as R excess of tau equal to limits t tends to infinity 1 by 2t integral minus t to t e of x square of t into dt if x of t is given. The average power of a process is nothing but the mean square value of the process, that is R excess of 0. Let us see the problem based on this. Find the average power of a process whose PSD, that is power spectral density, S of omega equal to 1 by omega square plus 4. The solution. First of all, we have to find out the autocorrelation function by using S of omega value. Therefore, R excess of tau represented autocorrelation function equal to 1 by 2 pi integral minus infinity to infinity S excess of omega into e power I omega tau into d omega. That is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral minus infinity to infinity 1 by omega square plus 4 into e power I omega tau into d omega. If we apply the formula, we get the answer as pi by 2 e power minus 2 into modulus of tau. If we substitute here, we'll get the answer as 1 by 4 into e power minus 2 into modulus of tau. This is the answer for R excess of tau. For finding average power, here we just substitute tau equal to 0. Therefore, we'll get R excess of 0. Therefore, R excess of 0 equal to 1 by 4 into e power 0, that is equal to 1 by 4 because e power 0 value is 1. That is the value for average power. The next sum. Find the average power of a process x of t if its PSD is given by S of omega equal to 10 omega square plus 35 divided by omega square plus 4 into omega square plus 9. The solution. Given S of omega equal to 10 omega square plus 35 divided by omega square plus 4 into omega square plus 9. First of all, we have to simplify by using partial fraction. Therefore, here put omega square equal to x. Therefore, we get S of omega equal to 10x plus 35 divided by x plus 4 into x plus 9. By using the partial fraction, we split it into two terms, that is a by x plus 4 plus b by x plus 9. By using the cross multiplication, we'll get a into x plus 9 plus b into x plus 4, that is equal to 10x plus 35. We marked as equation number 1. First, here we have to find out a and b value. For that, first substitute x equal to minus 9 in equation number 1. We get b equal to 11. After that, we just substitute x equal to minus 4. Therefore, we get a equal to minus 1. If we substitute a and b value in equation 1, we get 10x plus 35 divided by x plus 4 into x plus 9 equal to minus 1 by x plus 4 plus 11 by x plus 9. Therefore, S of omega equal to minus 1 by omega square plus 4 plus 11 by omega square plus 9. That is, here we have to change x equal to omega square. By using this s of omega, we have to find r excess of tau, that is autocorrelation function. Therefore, the formula for autocorrelation function is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral minus infinity to infinity s excess of omega into e power I omega tau into d omega. In the next step, we just substitute s excess of omega value which we found in the last step. Then you just split it into two terms by multiplying e power I omega tau which is in the outside the bracket. After that, we just substitute the formula integral e power I omega tau divided by x square plus omega square into d omega formula. Therefore, we'll get pi by 3 e power minus 3 into modulus of tau and pi by 2 e power minus 2 into modulus of tau. If we substitute the formula, we'll get the answer as 11 by 6 e power minus 3 into modulus of tau minus 1 by 4 into e power minus 2 into modulus of tau. Here we just substitute tau equal to 0. Therefore, we'll get average power. Therefore, 11 by 6 into e power 0 minus 1 by 4 into e power 0. E power 0 value is 1. Therefore, if we simplify 11 by 6 minus 1 by 4, we'll get the answer as 19 by 12. Next sum. Given the power spectral density of a continuous process are S of omega equal to omega square plus 9 divided by omega power 4 plus 5 omega square plus 4. Find the mean square value of the process. Let us see the solution. Given S of omega equal to omega square plus 9 divided by omega power 4 plus 5 omega square plus 4, that is equal to omega square plus 9 divided by omega square plus 1 into omega square plus 4. In the denominator, if we factorize omega power 4 plus 5 omega square plus 4, we'll get the answer as omega square plus 1 into omega square plus 4. Next, you just replace omega square equal to x. Therefore, we get s of omega equal to x plus 9 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 4. Therefore, x plus 9 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 4 equal to a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 4. That is, by using partial fraction, we split it into two terms and mark this equation number 1. After that, by using the cross multiplication, we'll get the equation as a into x plus 4 plus b into x plus 1 equal to x plus 9. Then, by substituting x values one by one, find out a and b value. Our b value is minus 5 by 3 and a value is 8 by 3. After finding this a and b value, we just substitute in equation 1. Therefore, we'll get s of omega equal to 8 by 3 into x plus 1 minus 5 by 3 into x plus 4. Then we replaced x equal to omega square. Therefore, s of omega equal to 8 by 3 into omega square plus 1 minus 5 by 3 into omega square plus 4. After finding this s of omega, we have to find out r excess of tau, that is autocorrelation function, by using the value s of omega. R excess of tau formula is 1 by 2 pi integral minus infinity to infinity s excess of omega into e power I omega tau into d omega. Here we just substitute s excess of omega which we found in the last step. After that we just split it into two terms and multiply e power I omega tau which is in the outside the bracket. Therefore, we'll get 1 by 2 pi into 8 by 3 integral minus infinity to infinity e power I omega tau divided by omega square plus 1 into d omega minus 5 by 3 integral minus infinity to infinity e power I omega tau divided by omega square plus 4 into d omega. Then substitute the formula integral e power I omega tau divided by omega square plus x square. If we substitute this formula, we'll get the answer pi into e power minus modulus of tau. Next value pi by 2 e power minus 2 into modulus of tau. And substitute the answer here. We'll get the answer as 1 by 6 into 8 into e power minus modulus of tau minus 5 by 2 e power minus 2 into modulus of tau. Therefore, after finding this r excess of tau, for finding average power, you just replace tau equal to 0. Therefore, we'll get the answer as 11 by 12. I hope you understood. Thank you.